welcome back to the Crypto Hasi. For today's video, we'll talk about AI Y protocol. Okay, so AI bot Y protocol. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and always do your own research because I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment only. Crypto has risk. So without further ado, guys, let's get into it. So AI bot Y protocol or intelligent yield investment. Democratizing intelligent AI investment technology, creating a comprehensive system where everyone can access advanced financial tools and participate in the digital economy through entertaining experience and practical application. So this is the start trading, guys. This is the platform you will see here. It's a little bit like a Bybit, Binance, or whatever platform that you are known. This is the same, guys. Okay? So GPU infrastructure, so 87.3%, so AI win rate, 15% on monthly returns, mission and vision. So democratizing intelligent AI investment technology, creating a comprehensive ecosystem where everyone can access advanced financial tools and participate in digital economy through entertaining experiences and practical applications. So the vision to become the world's leading AI DeFi platform, connecting intelligent investment with interactive entertainment, creating financial metaverse where user can learn, entertain, and generate sustainable profits. So bot Y has a supply of 100 of AIB billion decimals 18 and the chain is multi-chain. So Binance Smart Chain primary, Ethereum mainnet, Solana, Future Polygon, and Arbitrum. This is the blockchain, guys, available on this ecosystem. So 3 to 5 multi-sig wallet, 48 hours time lock, CTIC PEX Shield audit, so 100k bug bounty. This is the security features of AI bot, guys. So AB token utility has a payment currency, staking rewards, fee discount, and also has a governance rights. So AI trading tournament, so competitive virtual trading game with AI assistance, real-time leaderboards, seasonal championship, AI coaching system, and social trading. Prediction arena, DeFi empire builder, AI bot battles, yield quest, and RPG. So real-world utility. So AAB Academy, educational platform, digital payment solution, and also they have an AI marketplace smart commerce platform. So the investment product has a AI-bot trading, GPU mining, and lending bolt. So in AI-bot trading, you will have an investment range of 100 to 1 million. And the mining rig has a price range of 3.2 to 48k. And the staking tokens has a base APY of 18.36%, guys. Okay? And they are also have an affiliate rewards program right here. So F1 commission 8% and then F2 commission number 2 has a 5% only. So this is the level grab, guys, up to level 6. You will have a 6% bonus reward if you will get it. But you need 10,000 at least investment and team sales. Okay, so the level condition of this one has a across of 3 lines. The tokenomics overview right here, community and ecosystem 35%, and the multi-chain BSC Sol, supply reduction, token launch, and the total supply is all over right here. So roadmap, you will see here that develop acceleration in Q3 that has been started up to ecosystem expansion, the gaming growth, DeFi products, and global expansion in 2026. So the 2027 is the technology leadership, next generation infrastructure and investment solution. So the advanced AI infrastructure deployed 2,087.3% win rate proven AI trading performance and 2.4B infrastructure total hardware value deployed and the blockchain multi-chain network support. The success factors of this one has a early revenue, user engagement, token utility, real-world value, community focus, gradual expansion. And this is the current partners of this ecosystem. They have Solana, PancakeSwap, Unicorn Swap also available right here. Okay, CoinMarket, Binance, and Ethereum, guys. So frequently asked question is available at the bottom of this page. Okay, so I think that's all about this AI bot Y protocol, guys. Democratizing intelligence AI investment technology. So that's all, guys. I think I said all about this AI bot protocol. So again, please subscribe to my channel and click the like button and comment down below if you have any more questions. So again, this is Crypto Hasi. Bye-bye.